This pizza oven was sent to me to try out, and honestly, I am impressed. So right out of the box, it was super easy to set up. As you can see, I'm clearly opening the box here. Everything already comes assembled, so all you have to do is take it out of the box. It comes with the propane cord, foldable legs. The propane cord is already attached to this. It does have foldable legs and a knob to fire it up. No tools are needed. It was ready to go within just a few minutes. Once it preheats, which it takes about 10 to 15 minutes, it gets seriously hot, which means your pizza cooks in just a minute, literally 1 minute. The flame heats evenly, and you can tell the design really helped concentrate the heat. I threw in a pizza and it came out with that perfect crust, crispy at the bottom, soft in the middle, and bubbling cheese on the top. It also comes with everything you need: the oven itself, a 13-inch pizza stone, a pizza peel, and a cover to protect it when you're not using it. Cleanup is simple. Just wipe the top with a bit of stainless steel cleaner and you are done. Whether you're a pizza pro or trying this for the very first time like I was, this is so fun and so easy to use. It also makes a great gift for anyone who loves to grill or camp or just loves a good homemade pizza.